Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study AP Chemistry. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including multiple choice and free response sections. Next, build a strong foundation in core concepts like atomic structure and chemical bonding. Consistent practice with official AP questions is crucial for understanding question styles and time management. Start early and review regularly to solidify your knowledge. To excel, prioritize key topics such as stoichiometry, equilibrium, and acid-base chemistry. A comprehensive textbook is essential, alongside reputable online platforms offering video lessons and practice problems. Don't underestimate the power of flashcards for memorizing important formulas, definitions, and reaction types. Active recall is a powerful study technique for retaining complex information. Consistent practice is vital. Dedicate time daily to solving a variety of problems, from basic calculations to complex free response questions. When you make mistakes, analyze them to understand why, and then revisit those specific topics. Regularly take full-length practice exams under timed conditions to build stamina and improve your pacing for the actual test. On exam day, ensure you get a good night's sleep and eat a nutritious breakfast. Read every question thoroughly, paying attention to keywords and units. Don't rush. Take your time to think through each problem. If you get stuck, move on and come back later. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other helpful deals to support your study journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.